Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 13, leçon R. We will continue the series that we've been starting regarding vocabulary. So this video will be a vocabulary video, okay? And the topic will be faire à manger, and we'll concentrate on les adjectifs, okay? So let's see now. Griller. Griller. Mariner. Mariner. Macérer. Macérer. En sauce. En sauce. Farci. Farci. En purée. En purée. Cuit. Cuit. Bouilli. Bouilli. Poché. Poché. Sauter. Sauter. Frit. Frit. Cuit à la vapeur. Cuit à la vapeur. Fumer. Fumer. Sécher. Sécher. Et voilà. More videos can be found right here. Don't forget, I am on Facebook, so click on like. I will be really happy. And then you can go at the following address if you want more material. Have a great day. Bye bye.